Are you struggling to manage your services business very efficiently? From scheduling jobs and tracking work order to invoicing clients and managing teams, running a field service business can feel very overwhelming with the right tools. Welcome to Field Pearls, the ultimate platform for streamlining operations and growing your service business. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Field Pearls to schedule jobs, track progress, invoice client, and analyze performance all from one intuitive dashboard. So by this end of this video, by the way, this is an introduction video, right? But I will try to explain you as much possible in deep. So before we get started, I want to talk about the pricing because this is going to play a major role. By the way, they have the three plans: the essential, professional, and enterprise. Now there is a no fixed pricing for everyone. You have to just go and click on request pricing, right? Whichever plan you like, you have to fill up this form and click on submit. Now, once you just go and click on submit, automatically they will contact you through your email address and they will be in contact with you and try to understand your business and your need, and they will quote a price. Once you have filled up this information, they will ask to schedule your day. So for example, you're free on 29th of March, and here you can schedule a day at what time it is at 2:30 p.m. and then you can set a date, right? And once you reschedule, if you want to reschedule, you can reschedule, and on your given time you are meeting with Troy Greeny. So sorry if I'm not able to pronounce the name here correctly, but this is a way to do this, right? Now once you schedule a day, they will automatically be in contact with you and they will help you to know. So as you know that PhilPulse is an all-in-one service management platform designed to help businesses. There's a job scheduling, work order management, right, invoicing and payment. Let me show you up. As you can see here, there's a work order management, invoicing, payments, reporting tools, and there's a lot of things. You can pause the video and you can read it. Now let me show you, for example, now this is a dashboard here, right? So we will just go through the schedule. Now in the schedule, you can see here, this is a dashboard. On the left side, you will find a lot of option, right? And on the right side, this is an interactive tab. So you can build for all workflows here. For example, you can see this is a list view, offers a streamlined view of your team work for the day, right? And as you can see here, there's a lot of things. You can job status, job type, and there's a lot of things, whether it's happening, whether it's got completed, or whether it is in the for each member whatever task has been assigned, whether you can check it, and here you can drag and drop, right? So this is a list view section, and obviously there's a Kanban and there's a Kanban board too where you can just drag and drop. So that is much more interactive. I like the Kanban boards much more because I use it personally here. Now you can select the specific department and you can change the customized information displayed, and you can filter this out, right? For example, I want to view the job, so here you can see how you can view it. So just go to the open tab here and click on open tab. Now here you can easily sort and search by keyword. So once for example, here I've written Dakota, and as you can see here, you will see this exactly job unique codes here, and I can just open it up, whether it's give me the status, the job titles, and everything, right? And the customers. Now this is a Kanban board which I was talking about, right? For example, on the way, and I can just drag and put it wherever I want, right? Now view job by status or by custom workflow here. Now this is how you can do so. For example, let's go to the how you can view customer management. By the way, you can come to here. This is explore the platform, right? Just go to the solution and just go to the product section, and for example, you're looking for this feature, you want to know, you want to get a demo, so you can come to here and just go to the bottom and you can explore that feature, right? So this is a way here. Although once you are convinced to buy this up, make sure you take the demo and it's done. So this tool ensure your team is always aligned and no job falls through the crack, right? And one of the field pearls standout feature is ability to manage work orders very seamlessly. So here's how you can use it very effectively. For example, you can generate work order. There's a digital forms, sync in real time. So these tools ensure your work orders are accurate, professional, and easy to manage. There's a invoicing and payments. So this is really good. The payments reduce manual invoicing errors, right? Finally, field pearls provide you powerful reporting tool to help you analyze performance and make informed decisions, right? You can in the total revenue and job profitability, these are the key metrics. You can track this up: technician productivity and job completion rate, customer satisfaction, and repeat business trend. So you can use those insights to identify inefficiencies, recognize top performers, And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide. I hope you found this information really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.